Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren with Darmac Builders and Brightway Insurance. Okay, now you see how we got the block wall up. Now we forming out like the window openings you see here, sliding glass door window openings. That's a mistake. We're gonna correct it though. As far as the opening height, gotta fix it here as well. As you can see how it's coming. So I'm gonna give you a little bit scale to it when we go out in front. All right, so nice size house, to be honest with you. So you can see all this right here. Pretty good. Nice oak tree that we're keeping. This is the area where we had to put the lateral in because we didn't have a lateral for the house, so we had to dig. You see that the plumbing there? So that right there is leading out to the main here. So all your waste, shower, kitchen, dishwasher, all that's coming out to the main street. But we had to put that up first. So see this? Kept the trees. We're working around with trees. Okay. So we got this going on. Again, I'm here. Everybody's gone. We gotta do some cleaning up here tomorrow. But it's looking good. It's looking very good, actually. Gotta build a bearing wall out of 2x4s. I'm gonna show you that, how that's gonna take place. So tomorrow we're gonna see a lot of stuff going on, actually. A lot more. I got a couple of steel columns that is going here, so I'm gonna have to put a recess in the floor on that. This here is gonna be where the air handler is gonna go right here. We're gonna build this up. It's gonna protrude in the garage somewhat, and the slab is gonna be continuous. It's gonna be the same height as the finished floor here. So when you hear me say finished floor, or, you know, that's what I'm talking about, where you walk on in your house. Well, how much block I had left? Okay, I have this block and that block. Okay, and I have some block out there, which I'm gonna use for another project. That doesn't go in the garbage, ladies and gentlemen. See? Not bad, right? So, probably give me another week. We're gonna be pouring this tie beam, and then we're gonna get ready for the trusses to come in, and we're gonna build stairs back here. This is gonna be, you don't see it now, but we're gonna have, where I'm stepping out now, we're gonna have I'm gonna walk out, I'm gonna have a landing, which is about 3 feet, and then I'm gonna have steps that's come down into this area here. Of course, you got the pool over there. I'm gonna have steps coming, let me see if I can get it right here, coming from this point. It's going all the way down to that point, and then it's gonna make a right all the way down there. So it's gonna step into this little area here, which is gonna be like grass, landscape, and everything like that. And then you're gonna have your pool, and that's where you're gonna have, you know, your pool deck and all that good stuff. Okay, so we're doing it. We're doing it. And so you might say, well, what's this red line for? This red line is what we call, it's a control line. This red line is a control line. So we use this, usually the control line is 5 feet, okay? And so we use that as a measuring tool. So when, let's say, for example, if I say I need to go up 11 feet, okay? Well, I already know I got a control line here that's 5 feet, okay? So I'm gonna take my tape and go from here up 6 feet to give me my 11 feet, okay? And that's what we got the control line throughout the house. So we use that depending on how high we got to go up with the tie beam, where our windows are, or anything like that. So if somebody say, hey, we need to go up 9 feet, or we need to go up 8 feet, well, then I know I'm already at 5 feet with the red line. And then I'm gonna go up 3 feet above that, or 4 feet above that, depending on what that finish height is. Make sense? It should. Okay, so that's the opening there. Got the patio there. Now, this right here may be a problem. I know we got a tree, but you see how that's overhanging over the house. I get it, but some things you got to get it pruned back. This is the house here. That's the tree there. And I got trusses coming in. So one, you don't want that. You don't want that there anyways. Okay, so somebody got to prune that, arborist or whatever had to come in and do that, because a storm comes, that's falling down on your house, and you don't want that. I get it. We want to keep all the trees that we can, but some stuff has to be pruned back in order for it to really make sense. Because you know how I am about trees, but it's close to your roof. All right. So let's keep it rocking and rolling. Until next time. Oh, that's money right there. Peace.